What's up, guys? It's your boy Big E back again with another video, and today I got Miami Links in the building. And who the hell rocks a New York hat doing a Miami review video? This guy right here. This guy right here. Does it, Bob? Do your thing, bro. Do your thing. Alright guys, and we are back, and yes, this is the guy right here that wears the New York hats to do a Miami video.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
And we have none other than Miami Links in the building. I've reviewed a couple of pieces from them, the 15mm Cuban, and then also their Cuban chain lineup, I believe, in 7mm, which was absolutely amazing. And today I ordered myself a custom 10mm 999 Miami Cuban chain in 30 inches, and I have been waiting a while to get this back in. Actually, not that long, a few weeks, 2 or 3 weeks. It wasn't that long of a process, to be honest with you. So I bought the 10mm chain for myself in 999. I was really excited. I wanted to support the brand, and I did speak to the owner, Dan, and he offered to send me over an 8mm to review as well, just so I can show you guys the different sizes. But this 10mm, I have not put it on my neck yet. I haven't done anything, so you guys are about to see that for the first time, and I am super excited to do it. And here we go. So I believe, yep, this is the 10mm right here. So let's open up the box, and first off, you're greeted with this card. It says purity 999, weight 181 grams, length 30 inches, verified by DJ. Thank you, DJ, for the verification. Thank you for the card. I like having that because it gives you that kind of authenticity, that to feel that you have something and what you spent your money on. On the back, we have an entire informational paragraph over here that looks really, really cool. I don't have time to read this entire thing, guys, or this video is going to be way too long, and my editor is going to get mad at me and he's going to quit and leave. So that won't be good. He's shaking his head yes at me right now. Anyway, all right, guys. So now we are greeted with this beautiful chain. Oh my God. Oh my God. Guys, I'm keeping that on camera. Keeping that on camera. We just had an almost crazy blunder right there, but we saved the day. You saw the camera coming at me. It felt like the world was about to explode, but we are good. So as you guys can see here, this is the presentation that we are greeted with. Beautiful, beautiful presentation. We have the chain presented super nice. You can see right here that you have a custom box lock on here with the Miami Links logo, and you also have the 999 stamp. And now I'm excited to get this thing out of the box, so let's do that. Let's lift this up over here and let's pull this puppy out, and here we go, guys. Here is my brand new, wow, okay, and this is rhodium finish too, I believe, but this thing is beautiful, guys. Whoa, look at that chain. Look at that.
Oh, would you look at that? Just look at that.
The links are super tight on this thing. I mean, this, wow, I am shocked. Whoa. Literally, guys, me taking this out of the box, this is the first time I have seen this, and this thing is crack right here. Very nice chain. Let's turn this around really quick, and you have this beautiful box lock right here, so check that out, guys. Butterfly clasps on it over here, and let's see over here what kind of tension we have. So you can tell the file on this is super nice. It's a super flat file, which I particularly really love. This is kind of like a resemblance to a Daniel Jewelry ink almost, with a very flat file. If you guys know your Miami Cuban Links, Daniel Jewelry is very famous for their flat file. Then you have a Gus Villa, which I've had on the channel before, which is kind of a mixture of the old school look but with the newer school look. look, and I personally love Gus Villa's file. And then you have the raised golden cash, which is another one of my favorites. I've never reviewed them on the channel, but that is the old school, more bubbly Miami Cuban look. This is that really flat file, and I really am feeling this chain, guys. I know I might have said this like 46 times, but dead ass, this is a beautiful chain. So it's 181 grams. Let us get an actual weight on this thing. Let's get it on the scale. And right on the money, 181.32. So right on the money there. And let us get a quick measurement, and let me get zeroed out over here. So here we go, 10.65. So we're a little bit over. 10.76. And one more, guys, 10.65. So we're almost at an 11. I mean, this thing is awesome. And let's get this around neck, guys. And what I'm also noticing is that there is no kinks on this chain. And this chain is just not kinking up at all. Laying completely flat right here. And check this thing out. Absolutely beautiful chain around the neck. D, give me a thumbs up if this looks great right now. Yeah, he's giving me the 2 thumbs up, guys. I mean, this thing is just absolutely fire. We have the 8mm version over here, and we are greeted with the card 999. This is 108 grams. So we're shaving off about 73 grams from the 10mm, and who knows, guys, maybe I will actually just buy this chain too. I think I might just buy this chain because I love this chain that much. So I think he just bought another chain live on camera with all of you guys watching, because this thing is fire, and I will wear both of these things together. I mean, this thing is just absolutely beautiful. So 999, 108, 30, packed by DJ. Again, we have that verification card. We have that beautiful presentation. Same thing here, guys. Links super tight. I mean, this is like insane. I'm really shocked right now. Honestly, I did not know what to expect, and I am thoroughly shocked by this. I did speak to the owner about a month ago about these chains when I was placing my order, and he told me that these have become his new bestseller, and honestly, I can see why. I mean, this is like a must cop. I am so glad that I got this chain. I mean, this thing is just fire. But we have the same thing over here, guys. We have that handmade box lock over here with the Miami Links logo. Let's get it on scale really quick, guys. I think it said 108, so let's see if that stands true. 108.86, so also right on the money. Let's get a quick measurement on this 8mm. All right, 8.03, 8.14, and let's get one more for good measure. 8.19. So we are over. We are over on the weight. We are over on the actual chain itself. And you know what, guys? I'm just gonna stack this from. Why not? So let's put this on with my 10mm, and now we got both of these bad boys on. And guys, I don't know about you, but this is definitely, I can't even see myself, but I just feel it. I feel it in my bones. Like, this is fire.
Keeping on the job, those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling.
This thing is fire. Both of these chains are super dope. I am very glad I ended up getting it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you guys copped anything from Miami Links, or you guys planning to cop anything from Miami Links. And I am talking too fast because I haven't rated this yet. Rewind. Okay, guys. So now there is nothing left to do but rate it, and on a scale of nope to dope, the Miami Links 999 handmade silver chain is getting a 9. Congratulations, Miami Links. This thing has surpassed my expectation. Absolutely beautiful chain. Love it. I am so glad I got it. Like I said 1,000,007 times in the video, but I really mean it. If you guys are in the market, don't be afraid. Go on the site, go get yourself one. You're looking at maybe 2 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks to get the chain in, which is not a wait time at all. But I can imagine with how well these chains are made that the wait times are gonna go up. So I would get orders in when you can, and let me know in the comments, guys, what do you think? Do you have handmades? Do you want to get a handmade? If you bought something from Miami Links or planning to buy something from Miami Links, let me know down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this has been your boy Big E, double fisting these 2 beautiful handmade silver chains, and I am out. Peace.